Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 11. Today, we will explore aggregate functions, count, sum, and AVG. These functions let us analyze data efficiently and they form the foundation for grouping and reporting. Aggregate functions operate on sets of rows and return a single value. They are perfect for reports and summaries like counting students, calculating total sales, or finding average marks. Count returns the number of rows. For example, count star from students gives the total number of students in the table. Sum adds up numeric values. For example, sum of salary from employees calculates the total salary expense for the company. AVG calculates the average of numeric values. For example, AVG of marks from students gives the average marks of all students. You can combine multiple aggregate functions in one query. For example, count students, calculate average marks, and sum marks all at once. Let us practice. Try counting employees in IT, summing salaries in finance, and calculating average marks for class 10A students. In a sales database, count gives the number of orders, sum calculates total revenue, and AVG shows the average order value. These are essential for business reporting. Here are some mini challenges. Try counting students older than 15, summing HR salaries, finding average marks of class 9B students, and counting distinct employee cities. Your assignment: create employees and students tables, insert sample data, and write queries to count employees in each department, sum salaries, and calculate average marks. To summarize, count returns the number of rows, sum adds numeric values, and AVG calculates averages. Tomorrow, we will learn group by and having to group and filter aggregated data.